Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram birthday notification not working or Facebook birthday notification not working. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So first of all, you have to open up Facebook application. So after opening up your Facebook application, you have to just simply tap on the top right corner of three horizontal lines to open up the menu of Facebook. So after opening up the menu of Facebook, just simply scroll down until you will be able to find the option settings and privacy. Just simply tapping on settings and privacy and tap on settings. So after tapping on settings, just simply scroll down until you're able to find the option which is notifications. Just simply tap on notifications. Now you have to just simply scroll down and here you will be able to find the option which is birthdays. Just simply tap on birthdays. So after tapping on birthdays, you guys can clearly see I have enabled all these options. So you have to firstly allow notification on Facebook. So after tapping on, so you have to allow it and you guys can clearly see I have allowed it. You guys can also select according to your preference. You guys can send the message notification or email notification or push notification, so you guys can select according to your needs. So after tapping on it, if you are still unable to find the notification option of your birthday, you have to go to settings. So after coming to your phone settings, just simply search for notifications. So after searching for notifications, you have to open up the notifications center. So I'm just tapping on app notification. So after tapping on app notification, just simply make sure that your Facebook app notification is enabled. You guys can clearly see our Facebook app notification has been enabled. If from your side it is disabled, you have to enable it. So I hope these methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.